How to find work from home freelance gigs and jobs. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you want to work from home and have more control over your schedule? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to show you how to find freelance gigs and jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home. C.J. Eason, the job doctor, who is an expert in human resources and job hunting. Let her help you find freelance gigs and jobs that you can do from home. The first thing you need to do is figure out what skills you have and what kind of work you want to do. Once you know what kind of work you're interested in, it's time to start looking for gigs and jobs that match your skills. Here are 5 tips to start looking for gigs and jobs that match your skills and experience. Identify your skills and strengths. Start by making a list of all the skills and strengths you possess. This can include things like writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or accounting. By identifying your skills, you can narrow down your search to jobs that match what you're good at. Use job search websites. Job search website MichiganHired.com to find freelance gigs and jobs that match your skills. This website allows you to filter your search by category, job type, and pay rate to help you find the right job for you. Network with others in your field. Reach out to other professionals in your field and ask if they know of any freelance gigs or jobs that might be a good fit for you. You can also join industry groups on social media or LinkedIn to connect with other professionals and stay up to date on industry trends. Customize your pitch. When applying for jobs or gigs, make sure to customize your pitch to the specific job or client you're applying for. Highlight your relevant skills and experience and explain why you're the best candidate for the job. Keep learning. To stay competitive in your field, it's important to keep learning new skills and staying up to date on industry trends. Take online courses or attend workshops to learn new skills and expand your knowledge base. This will make you a more attractive candidate to potential clients and increase your earning potential. Register for the workshop about how to find work from home freelance gigs and jobs. Get help from Forbes Human Resources Council expert C.J. Eason, the job doctor.